Hello, my name is Julia Reiner. I'm a Year 10 student at iBOS, and this is my message about how iBOS has helped me. So I would like to start off by saying that considering I'm a student that's in the US, it has definitely helped me create more time throughout my day. Even though I have to wake up at 1 a.m., I adjusted to that timetable of waking up that early relatively easily, and it has just created a lot of time for me throughout my day, such as volleyball practice, my music, and a lot of other things that I'm interested in. Another thing I would like to say is that the teachers, they have definitely helped me with my learning and focus in class because they're very dedicated to our learning. And so they're always checking in on you and just checking on your work. So, yeah.